Hi guys, Steph here. Look at that. What a lovely pen. What have we got for you here? Well, what we've got for you is very similar to our British buses, i.e. you wait for ages and then two turn up. What we've got for you is another Mentmore fountain pen. This one is the Mentmore Supreme fountain pen. Now, the Mentmore company made lots of different pens, made them in different colours, different variations, etc. Made some superb pens. The pens were made from 1920s through to around about 1950s. Just to mention some of the models you've already seen, the Auto Flow. They made the Diploma, they made I think it was a Paramount model, and this one, as we've just said, is the Mentmore Supreme. I'm dating the pen from around about the 1940s. I think this one is a slightly later version because they also made a Mentmore Supreme with a button filler, which I believe was slightly earlier. But all in all, the Mentmore Supreme in this gorgeous navy blue colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, this pen came to me, it was actually gifted to me from a gentleman that I actually acquired a clip from. So this chap actually sent me this pen, so thank you, Peter, you know who you are. And it came to me in nice condition, but what I've actually done, like all my pens, I've actually disassembled everything. I put a new sack in it, gave it just a little bit of a clean up, gave it a polish, just to take it to that next level. So once again, thank you, Peter. So we've got a navy blue Mentmore Supreme, the size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 133mm capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 11.5mm in diameter. Now, it's a lever fill fountain pen, as you can see there. It's got this quite a straight, plain nickel, a nickel silver lever, as you can see there. If we turn it round slightly, let's show you the barrel imprint, and what we've got, it quite clearly says Mentmore Supreme, and then just underneath there you can see it says made in England. Let's give you another little angle. So Mentmore Supreme, made in England. Absolutely gorgeous, as I said. Now, as with the clip, again we've got this nickel silver trim. Let's show you the cap band there, and you'll notice it's got this sort of like a knurled pattern to the cap band there. And I've actually seen these with a slightly different cap band, and I've seen them with the lines running around the band, a sort of like the stacked coined cap bands. So again, slight variation. I've seen them with this cap band there. There's the clip for you. It's got this, I don't know if we can actually show it here, maybe at a different angle. You can see it's got this slightly concaved clip there. There's an angle for you. There's a sideways view, and as you can see, to the center or inside the clip there, we've got the word Mentmore, and then to the top it's nice and rounded, and that complements the bottom. Now the bottom, look at that, it's got this sort of clear end to the very bottom of the barrel there, very similar to the if I remember rightly, with the sort of the Waterman 100 pens had this sort of like a perspex barrel end. Okay, so interesting to why they actually use this particular design. I'm not particularly sure, but there you go, in lovely condition. In a lot of cases we actually see them crystallized and broken, etc. So all in all, again, lovely pen indeed. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in different angles. Beautiful condition, and in my opinion a lovely colour, but still a quality made fountain pen, as you'd expect from the Mentmore company. You can see the feed there is also in navy blue, slight taper towards the nib with this little ridge towards the nib, and then there's the nib for you. Let's keep it nice and still, and once again it reads Mentmore Osmi Iridium 14 karat gold. There's a sideways view. Let's take you underneath there, show you the feed. You can see everything has been disassembled, everything has been thoroughly cleaned in gorgeous condition. So we've got still got the sort of the ladder feed there. It's also got pat applied for on the feed, as you can see, so it may have been their own design on the feed. A lovely pen, lovely size, very comfortable to hold. Okie dokie, yes and no, you people like to see them writing, so let's dip the ink in the nib in the ink. I'm looking over the camera, I can see lots of bubbles. Let's bring on our little pad, and once again let's test it with you people looking on. So what we have in this case is a Mentmore Supreme. This pen I'm dating to the 1940s, and with all Mentmore pens made in England, made in Hackney in London, England. It's writing very nicely. Does it have any flex? It's feeling like it's flexing slightly. That's interesting. Yes, I would say it's got a little bit of flex. It's writing from, well, nice and simply in this case, from a fine to a medium line. Very nice indeed. Once again, a lovely writer from a lovely quality pen. As I said, Mentmore, they're a little bit overlooked, but they're absolutely superb quality made fountain pens. And as you can see there, the writing from a fine, and we can get a little bit of variation to a medium line. Lovely writer indeed. So let's pop the cap back on, and there we have it. An absolutely lovely example of this navy blue Mentmore Supreme fountain pen, made in England around 1940s, with this lovely silver nickel trim. Beauty. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment. Don't be shy. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe now? And don't forget, people, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.